And welcome back. Well, today was a muggy day across our viewing area. Temperatures topped out right near 92 degrees here in Meridian. This morning's low as well was in the mid 70s, so we were well above our average low for this time of year, which is in the upper 60s. Tonight's lows, we're still going to be above normal, 73 degrees. We're going to keep a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms hanging around. Winds will be pretty calm out of the southwest, and our highest for tomorrow, again, much like today, most of us will be in the lower 90s. Could have some upper 80s down to the south. And to the west, we're expecting those thunderstorms to pop up a little bit earlier on, so that cloud cover along with them. Winds will be still 5-10 miles per hour out of the southeast, so basically like the past 2 or 3 weeks right now. The past several hours, again, we had those showers and thunderstorms roll on through. Had a pretty big complex down to our southwest about 5 or so hours ago. And you can see actually a little bit of circulation right here. And circulation, I don't mean tornado, I just mean what we call it a meso low. So it acts like a low pressure. It's just a very, very small one. You see a little rotation right there that some of these storms were kind of alongside. This is all moving on to the west. And again, any remaining showers should dissipate, but we're going to keep a slight chance for thunderstorms going throughout the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, we're going to do it all over again today, but maybe a little bit more widespread as we're kind of getting ready and priming the atmosphere for more rain, especially as we get onto your weekend and early next week. Future radar, I'll put it into motion, should clear on out during the early morning hours. And once we get to about midday tomorrow, we're going to start to see showers increasing down to our south and then moving back up to the north. I think they're going to be a little bit more widespread than this particular model is showing. And of course, the one thing we can count on is, while some of us may not see any rain at all, just may have some cloud cover, anybody who does get under a shower can bet, at least during the afternoon hours, it's going to have some heavy downpours along with it, even a few rumbles of thunder. Places down to our southwest picked up a couple inches of rain today, while of course here in Meridian we only picked up about 1/10 of an inch. So again, we're going to have a wide variance of rain across the viewing area over the next 2 to 3 days before we start to really see more widespread rain going on into the weekend and next week. Right now, we're still being dominated again by that upper level high pressure. You see the shower activity we had earlier moving back to the north and to the west. You can pick up one boundary that kind of is where that rain cooled air along, just moving through the northern part of the state right now. This upper level low is starting to dissipate and starting to weaken. We're going to have a little bit of a front kind of roll on through and just kind of set down to our south and to our east. And then we're going to have some weak flow. Basically, by weak flow, I just mean some weak winds at the surface over the weekend from the south. So, of course, we're expecting kind of a tropical air mass to be moved on up over our viewing area. Flash flooding is a little less likely right now. Now, isolated flooding is something we'll have to watch out for, but flash flooding, because of the season it is right now, the growing season, that's actually helping us out some there. But we could pick up several inches after all is said and done in some locations. I'll show you just this one model in particular. We'll go on throughout Sunday with it. And you can see we're picking up right about 1 inch here, but look to the south and to the west, a few counties, and you're seeing places that are picking up 2 to 3 inches of rain. And again, this is a coarse model, so take it with a grain of salt. Over the next couple of days, temperatures, again, right near average in the lower 90s. We'll be in the upper 80s for Friday. And with that cloud cover, we'll stay in the upper 80s for your weekend, and then finally get back to near normal for Monday and Tuesday, keeping some clouds, though, across the viewing area.